Bike ride. Today, solo na naman.
Girl, you really got me now. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Girl, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. Girl, you really got me now.
Subukan natin magpunta tayo sa ngayon sa vegetable market. Yung malaking vegetable market daw yung dito sa Mamawalo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung tsura at saka yung mga tinitinda doon. Tingnan natin para. Nililigaw ata ako. Magtatanong na lang ako. Bahala na. Dapat makapunta dun sa vegetable market. See you guys. Dito na tayo sa ano. Sa may papuntang vegetable market. So, yung mga ano eh. Mga trailer na mga delivery truck. Hi, how are you? It's already sold by box only, not per kilo?
Huh?
By box?
Box.
By box only, ah? Not per kilo, ah? I want to buy something like small amount of fruit, but I always need to buy by box. Okay, thanks. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Hindi pala pwedeng bumili ng per kilo rito. Palaging per box. Kasi dito namimili yung mga ano eh, yung mga tawagin ng bakala. Yung mga maliliit na tindahan. Ay, dito na tayo sa loob ng vegetable market ngayon. Tinitingnan mo yun. May mga paninda. Tingnan natin dito. How much per kilo of cucumber? Per kilo or per box?
Kilo.
Kilo? How much per kilo?
1 kilo 700.
1 real 700?
1 kilo 700.
Ah, 700? What about this lettuce? Is this lettuce?
100.
How much?
1 kilo 40. May bayad ko sa anis side?
Lettuce na lang kaya. Lettuce. Okay, give me. No more discount? 400? Okay, okay. Give me one lettuce only. Hindi tayo ng lettuce. Yeah. Lettuce, 400 ba isa?
1 piece.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Lettuce.
Hold on.
Puro na ito, 400. Ang dami. Oh. Ang dami. Okay, thank you guys. Eggplant. Lettuce. Spinach. You know kangkong? Kangkong? You don't know kangkong? Ito mga friendly naman mga tao rito. Lahat naman accommodating. That's good. Kahit na anong entertain ka nila lahat. Akala ko kanina per box lang pwede bumili pero pwede rin palang bumili kahit na per kilo. Yung pakwan, yung pakwan eh. Yung pakwan nila, kaso nga lang hindi naman magkakasya sa bisikleta ko. What is that fruit?
This one,
Kier.
yeah, cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber. Okay. That came from where? From India also?
This one Iran.
Ah, Iran? Okay. Okay. So guys, say hi guys. These are the good guys from Bangladesh and from India. Hi. See you guys. How much per box?
This one?
Is that apple?
Korean.
Oh, apple.
4 real.
4 real, huh?
Nice apple.
Yeah, but I cannot bring it on my bike. It's too big. Probably I'm going to come back and buy it. Yeah, I already bought some vegetables inside. So it's still already heavy. You are from where? From Bangladesh, from Pakistan. Okay. Hi. Hi guys. I'm from Manila, Philippines. You? Mabuti. Ah, you know how to speak Tagalog. Ah, yay! Ah, you have probably a girlfriend?
I have
Filipina?
But not expensive.
From where? From Philippines, huh? Okay, what's her name? Your girlfriend, you already forget her name?
Name, but
You forget her name, your girlfriend? How come?
one bus.
Huh? One time only? You, ah? Thanks, guys. Pauwi na tayo ngayon. Galing sa vegetable market. Pauwi na. Marami akong pang salad ngayon. Ang daming lechugas. See you.